She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with a Nykaa restock sale haul video for you guys. So in this sale I've shopped for some makeup and for essentials as well. So most of the brands are on a great discount, like Maybelline is on 20% off and Herbal Essences is also on a 20% off, and various other brands like L'Oreal, MAC and all have like great deals, so you might want to check them out. So all the products I shopped for today will be mentioned in the description box below, so you can check them out. And also, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button and share this video with your friends. So let's get started with the video. So before beginning with the makeup, we need like a nice glowing and moisturized base. For that I'll be using the Lakme Skin Gloss, and this particular product is like a nice light blue sort of a gel moisturizer, and it comes in like different sizes, so you can use like the smaller variant to just try the product, how does it work for your skin. For the other step, I picked up the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation, and this particular shade which I chose was 128, and I chose this foundation because I wanted something full coverage to cover my dark spots and the basic texture and all on the skin. So I thought of trying this new product and let's see how does it work on my skin. So it comes with a pump which is great, and everything like the details are mentioned clearly below, and just take one pump and nicely blend it all over your face. So as you can see that I've nicely contoured and blushed my face. So now I'll move on to the eyebrows, and for the eyebrows today I've used the Etude House drawing pencil in the shade black, and I quite like this pencil because it's quite inexpensive. It retails for like 260 bucks only, and the fact that it comes with a spoolie is like quite amazing. And also the fact that this pencil is quite super pigmented, you'll require very less amount of product, and this works quite amazingly well. So the next product which I ordered is the Nykaa Oh My Brow product in the shade Serious Brown. This is like a nice eyebrow mascara, and I was looking for an inexpensive eyebrow product since all others like Benefit and various other brands are quite expensive. So just to try how this product works for me, I thought of buying of this product. So this product in particular comes with like a spoolie, and it retails for 449 rupees only, which is quite nice, since you can also check out like different deals which give you extra sale as well. So it comes with like a nice round spherical spoolie, and you just brush off the product in your eyebrow, and it is supposed to make your eyebrows quite fill up and little bit more polished for that. So I also ordered 3 more products from the different brands. 2 were from Wet n Wild. They were the Wet n Wild Mega Last lipsticks, and they actually did not arrive, so they'll probably arrive by tomorrow or day after. So stay tuned on my Instagram, do not forget to follow me. So I'll be posting like mini reviews about these 3 products, and the third product was actually like a blush palette by the brand In Color. So I'd be posting swatches and mini reviews on my Instagram stories, so you can follow me on my Instagram. My handle is @ViannaFashionForward. So there you can check out all the mini reviews of every product. So now we'll move on to the final step, which are lips. and for that I'll be using like quite a new Rage product. This is the Maybelline Color Sensational lipstick in the shade Best Babe, and this is like a quite pinky tone nude. And before applying that, I'll be using like a nude colored lip liner just to line my lips and just see how I So now we'll move on to the essentials category, and I purchased quite a bit for that as well. So for the first product I got is the Pantene Hair Fall Control Shampoo. This was like for 115 only, and it is for 180 milliliters. So this bottle comes in quite handy. This will last you for a good 2 months, and this particular shampoo is quite great because you know, it helps the hair in giving them like a nice shine and in hair fall also. So if you'd like me to do a review of this shampoo, then do not forget to comment below and I shall do that for you as well. So the second shampoo which I purchased was particularly for my curly hair. This is the Herbal Essences Coconut Milk Shampoo, and this particular variant is aimed at hydrating, and I have used like 1 bottle of this shampoo along with the conditioner, and I was quite happy with the results of this shampoo, so I thought of repurchasing it. And this shampoo is like quite like heavy, and you know, the bottle is quite big. This will last you for like more than 6 months, 6 to 8 months. It will be good. And for medium length hair, you know, this shampoo is quite potent and it gives quite the result. So now moving on to the other hair products, I also got the L'Oreal Paris Magic Retouch Spray. This is like a root concealer spray, so you know, all the gaps which you have in your hair, it's like quite good for covering all those gaps. And also the fact that if you have like roots which are grey, this will instantly cover them up. This is like a quite a nice of a bottle, and you know, it's really handy when you want to, you know, conceal some bald patches as well. It gives you like an even hairline. The other product is the Garnier Color Naturals hair color. I got it for my parents as well. So this hair color, you know, is like quite used in the family, and it's like quite nice because you know, this is the natural range, and the color is black. It's like natural black, so it is good for covering grays. And you know, I've particularly applied this hair color and it stays put for, you know, good 3 to 4 weeks, which is like quite good. And it also comes with like a developer and also a conditioner, which is quite handy. So the other product is the Wheat Sensitive Hair Removal Cream. This is like in the sensitive variant, as I've mentioned. It retails for like 120 rupees, which is quite extremely affordable. So these days, as we know that we are not allowed to go outside, so you know, we need to vouch for some personal hair removal techniques. So this is one of them. This particular cream is quite effective, and if you want, I'll give you like a nice tutorial on this as well. So the other product is the L'Oreal Casting Creme Gloss hair color. This particular shade is Ebony Black, and L'Oreal hair colors are, you know, a little bit more pricier. This particular one is for 440 rupees, but these are much more gentler on the hair, and you know, I feel that they last better on the hair, and the covering is also quite nice, and these are less harsh on the hair, which I feel. And also the fact that you know, the quantity is more for this product. So the other product which I purchased was the Dr. Shades Basic Brightening Daily Cleanser, and this was the 50 ml variant. This was like a little bit pricier, I feel. It was for 319 rupees, and I feel that the ingredients on this are quite amazing. It has rosehip seed extracts and almond oil and vitamin E, which basically, you know, are great nourishers for dry skin. So I have dry and sensitive skin, so you know, I thought of giving this product a try.